welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a crafty one. If you're wondering why I'm in the kitchen, which I never normally film in here, although I am loving my my little Christmas backdrop over there. Maybe you can't see it actually. Oh, that's all going to be in my video on Sunday, so you can see exactly, like in detail, all the decorations. But yeah, today's video is something that I've been meaning to get done for like over a week now, where I've just not got around to it. I'm going to be putting together some advent calendars for the boys. So normally, and I've got a video for it, I'll do a 1st of December box, like that's what I normally do every year, which will have like their pyjamas and everything in, and you can go watch that video, I'll link it somewhere up here. I'm going to still do like a mini version of that where I'll get like matching Christmas pyjamas for me and for them, and put a few things in, like just for treats for the day. But what I thought I would do this year for like a little bit of a change is do them like a gifting advent calendar, and then put some of the things in that I would have normally just put in the box on the 1st, if that made any sense. So I've been gathering loads of little bits for them to put in this box. Christmas, I love drawing it out for as long as possible. So the day itself goes so quickly, so I love to do loads of little things for them going up until Christmas. I mean, I don't know if I'll do this every year because it obviously does cost more than an advent calendar, which normally is like, they're more than happy with that. But I just thought I'd give them like a little, only something small, just a little treat each day, and maybe some of the things that I would have normally put in that 1st of December box, like their new toothbrushes, I'm going to wrap up and they can have that as a present for on the day. Kids love opening things, don't they? So I just think, I had an advent calendar with little presents in one year when I was little, and it was literally the best thing that I'd ever had in my life. Like, I was so excited about it every day, and I just know my boys are going to be the same. So I've got a lot of things to wrap up because they're all going to go in these boxes. I've also, these boxes were like from Home Bargains, about £4 I think. I put their names on them, just using my Cricut machine. I've cut their names out and put them on there, but you can buy little wooden like personalised names like on Amazon and things I've seen. So I'll put the names on each box, then I'm going to decorate them with some like little wooden decorations that I think I got them all from the works. So I've got some snowflakes, which were originally like just that colour that I've sprayed. I had some silver spray paint that I think I got from Poundland. I've had it for years, and I found it in the shed and thought, I wonder if this will still work, and it does. So what I'm going to do is decorate them all. I'm going to decorate all the lids in a slightly different way. I do have some of these as well, so I think I'm going to put this instead on one of them that just says Christmas is coming. Again, yeah, from the works, £1.50 each, and I think the snowflakes were as well. And then I've also got some, I'll come round, I've also got some little decorations like this, just little snowflakes and little trees. So I'm going to hot glue them on, fancy up the boxes a little bit, and then they're like a thing that we can use every year. So yeah, I'm going to crack on because it won't be long until I have to go pick them up from school, and go and get my glue gun and then just do a bit of decorating first. Okay, glue gun is plugged in. Excuse any background noise in this video as well. Because I'm in the kitchen, the fridge makes a worrying amount of noise, to be honest, and then the boiler's making a lot of noise as well, so there's probably going to be a fair bit of noise. Right, I'm going to move these aside and get my lids.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Okay, so I'm going to start with Toby's, and these are all the things that I'm going to wrap up. So I'll just quickly go through them. We've got sweets, so like one of these for a day. I got these really cute. I got one of these each for them. A little like squashy sausage dog, because we have a sausage dog, so I feel like I have to get everything that is sausage dog related. I've got a couple of like lip balms. These came in like a pack of 6, I think it was, from B&M, and they're just all like different sweet flavours, and they've I've got a couple of them, and then they've all got 2 of those each, because I just think that's quite a good one for this time of year, because they get such dry lips, and these ones they'll use because they taste like sweets. I got him a new phone case, which is like a bigger present for one day. Like some things are like a little bit more than others. These are just like little balloon things that I got off Amazon, just like a little fun thing to do. Some giant playing cards, because I don't know, around this time of year we always play things like Go Fish, and if they have the giant cards it might be a little bit easier for them to not lose them. I've got a few different things like this, like Toby loves space. So I've got him a little necklace. This was just off Shein. It's a little planet necklace, which I thought was quite cute. Some of these little things are like things that you throw, little gooey things that they can play with. I bought a pack of them and put a few of them in for different days. One of these each as well. These parachute jumpers. It's just like a little man with the parachute. They normally find things like this quite entertaining. I also got them all one of these gingerbread hanging decorations, just all different, because I always buy them a different decoration every year and put it in the 1st of December box. So I thought, well, I'll make that like a day that they open one. So really, like, even though it seems like they're getting more, some of the things I would have just given them anyway, so I'm sort of spreading it all out a little bit so they're not just getting it all in one go. I also got, these are off Shein as well, a little spaceman keyring, and I got him, really following the space theme, these friendship bracelets. I thought he could give his friend one, his little spaceman friendship bracelets, just a 2-pack of them. Again, off Shein. This is off Shein as well, just a little space notepad. I thought that was a good size. A new toothbrush, just an electric toothbrush, because again, that's something that I always put in the 1st of December box normally. A Christmas t-shirt, just because, again, from Shein. It's got a Santa face on it. They don't really like wearing like woolly jumpers, so I thought it's easier to get a Christmas t-shirt because it's less expensive, and when it comes to Christmas jumper day they can wear that for school. I just feel like it keeps the cost down when you've got 3 kids just to get a Christmas t-shirts sometimes. And yeah, like I say, mine aren't that keen on wool, especially Archie and Toby with eczema. Like, they don't like the feel of wool on their skin. It's not as good. So I got them a t-shirt each. And yeah, I think that's everything. A few packs of sweets and some snowman marshmallows, and that is going to be all the things that I'm going to wrap up. So to wrap them, I've got this pack of wrapping paper here that was from B&M, some little sticker dots as well to stick them together. And for like the small fiddly things like this necklace, I thought I'll just put a bit of tissue in and put them in these little boxes and just have a couple of these in for each of them, which I thought were really cute as well. Again, off Shein. Really nice little gift boxes for all the little fiddly things, or I might wrap a few things in just like present tissue paper. And then I've also got some pens, like marker pens, to put all the numbers on for the different days. So I'm going to get wrapping though, which hopefully won't take me forever.
My mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Okay, that's one done. Another 2 to go. I won't even be able to put the lid on, but I guess as he opens things, then the lid can actually go on the top. But I think that looks pretty like enticing, especially if you're a child. I think that's going to look pretty exciting to dig through each morning. I ended up using the glue gun to glue some of the wrapping together because I'm not going to lie, like, this is not my neatest wrapping. This was like, I was just trying to get it done as quick as possible because I've obviously got over 70 things to wrap up. But yeah, I just need to do the other 2s now, but that's Toby's done. Advent calendar number 1. I'll show you now what I've got in Dylan's next. Okay, so with Dill's stuff, it's all pretty similar to Toby's, just a few differences because Dylan likes chocolate whereas Toby doesn't, so Dill's got some of these in his instead of like loads of sweets. However, we do still have some Mawams. Another little gingerbread felt decoration, so cute. I do have some baking things in for Dill though. This I'm going to put on like one of the days, maybe like a weekend, because he is loving baking. So I've got him a cupcake kit, also some sprinkles, and some cupcake cases for one day, so he can just sort of like build up his little baking kit. Another sausage dog, of course, another parachute jumper, a different Christmas t-shirt, again from Shein. He really likes frogs as well, so like Toby's, I got him a lot of space theme things, whereas Dylan, I've got him a little frog keyring, and then we have this little frog bracelet as well, little wish bracelet. But yeah, everything else, toothbrush and everything else is pretty much the same as like Toby's, just slightly different. So here we go again with the wrapping. Oh, I forgot to say actually, this is a little book light, little USB book light. So he's a big reader, so I got him one of those as well.
But the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another since July. I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin.
Okay, and lastly we have Archie's. Again, not many different. I did get this really cute keyring off Shein as well. It's a little bit of a thing that me and him always say. Well, he'll always be like, no, I love you more than you love me, and I'm always like, no you don't. So I got him a keyring that says, I love you more, the end, I win, which I thought was really cute. I also got a little sausage dog bracelet. How gorgeous is that? Little wish one. I got this as well off Shein. This is like something to keep their Switch games in, which I thought that was really handy. He's going to do a little Christmas craft because that's something that he will enjoy doing. I've also got this big gold coin medal, which I know he'll love, and he really likes monkeys, so I've got a little monkey keyring. Oh, I'm going to put the magic bubbles, I got these from B&M, as one of his days as well, and a toothbrush and the balloon things and some sweets and little squishies here and there. So now I just need to get all these wrapped up and then I'm nearly done.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing.
Oh, I'm so pleased with them. There we go, all beautifully wrapped. Not beautifully wrapped, very roughly wrapped. Burnt my finger a couple of times as well on the glue gun, so that's just great. But yeah, I'm really pleased with them. So they'll obviously be their advent calendars, and then I do have some pajamas and things to show you. So a couple of other things for the 1st of December. New pajamas, I got these from Sainsbury's. I've got some as well. I just like to do the whole matching pajama thing. They've just got little Christmas trees on. I thought they're quite nice and neutral for both me and them. Yeah, Sainsbury's, they've got some lovely pyjamas in there. Also, I always do this. It's the same books as I've used for the last couple of years. I don't think it's going to interest Toby as much because they're obviously quite young books, but I'm still going to do it for Archie, where I wrap up a book for each day. I'm all wrapped out today though, so I'm not doing it today, but yeah, I'm going to wrap up all of these and have them in a box so that he can pick a book each day, and if Dylan wants to read it with us as well, because we only get them out once a year. There's stories that like they've not read to death because we only obviously have them out at Christmas, so it's just nice to have a Christmas story each night up until Christmas Day. And then also I always have this, is like a little movie jar, Christmas movie jar, so we can just pick one out when we all want to watch a Christmas movie. Just a nice little idea. I might want to add a few into that actually. And yeah, there are a few things that I like to have for them on the 1st of December, just to make it a little bit more of a special month. But yeah, I better go and hide them before I go and pick them up. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a few ideas if you're looking for things to put in your 1st of December box, or like stocking fillers as well, or your Christmas Eve box, like depending what you do. Yeah, I think they're going to be really excited with that. I don't know if I could do it every year, it's a lot of effort. But I'm glad it's done, and I think they're gonna love it. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and yeah, I'll be back with much more Christmas content.